Greetings WordPressers, Jakson here. Welcome to the channel, nice to have you as always. Now you might be here because you clicked on the video at the end of my last video. And if that's the case, welcome aboard. And if it's not, go and watch that last video. Link is up there and in the description. It was a video about all the features and amazingness of the newest community / LMS style plugin for WordPress, the outstanding Fluent Community. Go and watch that other video if you want to hear me gush endlessly about it. So this is 3 fixes, 3 tips, tricks that can just get you over the line a little bit with the free. It's all for the free version, and we'll help iron out a few of the little creases that you might need to sort out if you're going to use the free version for an amazing community and course platform. Anyway, let's get to it. It's Fluent Community Quick Fixes. So here we are on our Olive Club community site build. If you recall, the issues were on the front end now, the admin bar is showing, no thank you very much. And it's worse than that. You can actually get to the dashboard as well. We definitely do not want that. And as a bonus, I was going to show you how to style a few things up because your theme CSS is not in the community part of your website. It's completely separate CSS. But it's a doddle to actually add it. So let's go over to our admin. Now this is going to take some PHP and it's going to take a CSS file. So you can do this in your child theme, or if it's a custom top level theme, then you can do it in there. I'm going to use my handy little site plugin. If you haven't seen that video, link's up there. And you can download it for free in my freebie section of my website. Link is in the description. Let's get to plugins. And let's add a new plugin, and it's going to be our little site plugin. Let's go grab that file, drop that in there, install now, and activate. Now I need to get this open in an editor, and so let's go to the local WP site folder, get apps open, get public open, get content, go to plugins. There's our newly uploaded plugin. Let's get that open in VS Code. Let's get rid of the welcome. So go see the video for this if you haven't seen it, and it will explain what it does, how it works. But basically you can put PHP in here. So we've got some example PHP already in there. And on the Fluent Community docs, you'll see this little snippet. Let's grab that. Let's get that a bit bigger and close that and squidge that up. So it's basically saying you can put anything in the head, and it's basically saying enqueue this Fluent CSS. But we don't have that in this plugin yet. So let's get that in, new file. Fluent.css. Let's get the actual path for that. Copy the path and get that into our URL. So we want that part. Just to check we've got that right, I'm going to go to the admin and go. So let's just get that in there to check it's seeing the file. Yeah, blank screen, that means it's seeing the file. There's no CSS to see as yet. So let's copy the link, get back to our function and put that in that style sheet link. Let's get rid of that bit there. And so that's now enqueued. So if we add some Fluent CSS here, hey, not actually CSS, but you kind of get the drift. And we can now go back to our front end and start styling stuff. So for example, this course here, this course title, and we inspect that, I think that should be slightly larger font size. So font size, say 18px. Do you know what I mean? So it's just feels a little bit, yeah, headliney. So what we want is to target the H4, but we don't want to target the entire H4s across all our pages and sidebars and posts and all the rest of it. So we want to look for. So this is specific, form course sections. That's cool, that's what we want. So let's get that and then use that as our starting class to then go down to the H4, and then we'll put in font size 18px. Let's go have a look at the H4 now, that one. Get rid of that element. And it's being overridden by this item there. So let's just stick an important on there. And there we go. So what we can do now is copy that rule and get it into our CSS. Yes, we can. Save that. Refresh that. And our 18 pixels is still there. And you'll see on the the little circles here, they're a little bit bigger and a different color to the ones we've got here. So let's inspect that fella there. It's the SVG and it's got a size on it. And we actually want it to be something like 15px, 14px. And we want the fill color of the SVG to be green. There you go. Now you see we've got all of the fills going green at the moment. Well, to be fair, it's not green that we want. It's actually the olive color. There you go. But it's filled all of them. So we need to target that as well. So we want to target space menu item. I think we want that, don't we? Let's get back to our SVG. We've copied that class, put that in front of it, and that should, in theory, sort it out. It does, yeah, see all the regular ones. So just those. So we get that, copy that, stick that in our CSS, refresh that. Lovely. Right, let's talk about this dashboard issue. That's more code, and I've got the code here for that. I can't remember, a video months, years, last year. Oh, there's our CSS, by the way. That's more code, but it's a simple one. And if I go to my demo code here, restrict access to the WP admin for subscribers. Actually, I think it was in the membership without plugins, memberships with just a form plugin. Go and check that one out. Link is in the description. So yeah, so if it's admin, redirect home. So let's grab that and put that in our plugin there. So save that. And if we go to our dashboard again now, and we refresh that, it's going to take us to the home page. Wicked. So next up, this admin bar, that's a super easy fix. We've got admin and site enhancements installed and activated here. Let's go to the configuration. And if you haven't seen my video on this, go and see it. Monster video from last year. Monster plugin. Absolutely amazing. Links in the description card up there. And it's got so many functions. It's bonkers. But hide the admin bar. Hide the admin bar on the front end for all or some of the users. Well, we don't want subscribers to see it. Absolutely not. No, we do not. Save changes. Back to Jane on the front end. Give her a refresh. Admin bar gone. So there's 3 little hacks for you for the phenomenal Fluent Community plugin, something I have fallen head over heels in love with. Link is in the description if you want to download that site plugin, plus other links to tell you more about Fluent Community. Please use that. It's an affiliate link, and this isn't a sponsored video, by the way. Anyway, more WordPress action up there for you. But until next time, I shall see you later.